Hey, what's going on, Pro Cutters? Back out at the Four Seasons room, and today we're going to be laying down our floor. So the first thing we need to do is, I got the shop vac, so we're going to clean the floor really good, vacuum everything up, and then we're going to start laying down this door lux. And then from there, we'll be able to do the base trim, put the electric outlets in. This room will be close to finished. Stick around.
Like, comment, subscribe to my boy, the ProCut.
Okay, so you can see I've got this little bit of a lip here on that red brick. And so I'm going to use this concrete grinder to grind that down. So I got a smooth transition because I'm going to bring my laminate floor up to here. And then eventually these doors are going to come out, and then that laminate will run clean into the main house as well.
Hey guys, Montana Drone here. Smash that like button and subscribe to my buddy John at the ProCut. He's worth it.
Now we're beginning to lay the floor. So I started with a full piece, notched it out for the brick, and there's a full piece on the center, and then a third full piece there, and again notched out for the brick. So now I can put a half a piece there, and then two more full pieces, and then that'll help keep my boards straight so I can run down to that other corner. Now when you're putting this flooring in, you want to take and keep it up on an angle and get it into that groove and keep pressure on it. And that's how you're going to get a nice tight fit. And then on this edge, you want to use a white-faced mallet. And that's how you do that. Now with this door casing, instead of trying to cut out your floor, you use your multi-tool. And you just zip off the bottom of the trim, and then your floor slides right under, and it gives you a nice clean look. the flooring done, we're ready for our base trim. But first I'm putting in the outlets. I've got one down, 3 outlets to go, and then the lights are ready to go in as well. And you can see I've got the wire already pulled and hanging there. So not much longer now for the inside. And so all the trim is on. Now, all that's left to do, these 2 wires are hot, so I can't hook up the lights right now until that power gets turned off from inside. And then I've got the mini split to put on this wall.
Hey everybody, how you doing? It's Dave. You know what? Something's been on my mind. I think you guys should all go check out my friend John's channel at the ProCut. I promise you, you won't regret it. He's a great guy and he's got great content. So just go there, like, comment, and subscribe. It's not that hard to do, trust me. And you won't regret it.